Okay, guys, so we get some good news, and it is a very positive news for rebuilding back the whole place, which was destroyed by Melissa. So Melissa Hurricane. So we crossing our finger to see the building work will be starting very quickly. We don't know when it's going to start, but hopefully it will start very, very quick. But definitely I will keep you guys update on that. You know, the government was putting out a few statement a couple of weeks ago, saying that the amount of like hood and lots of things that they need to clear. So I don't know. I would just see if you guys have any update, leave it in the comments and let me know. That's we can, you know what I mean, spread the good news to let the audience know exactly what's going on. So I'm on the positive side that they will be rebuilding the new Jamaica. So we are looking forward for that. All right. It's a very good look, and I'm crossing my finger for good positive in the new year 2026. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen, and I'm out.